Okay, guys, I'm at this house right. I'm at my house right now, guys, and I'm gonna show you everything I want. And I bought some awesome stuff. So I got this like lion guy, pretty cool. I like him. It's just like a lion guy. I think it's from like a movie. And then these are so awesome. I'm gonna take them out of the package. I got this like silver fidget spinner. Then I got like this pink one, guys. And then I got like this black one. You can't see it. So I'm gonna have to set the phone down real fast and open it. Okay. Mama, I don't know if I can open these. I can never open these, and I'm already videotaping. My mom's gonna open it. Open all these.
Please.
Just open these two. These are the open. Okay, guys. I'm gonna spin them. These are so sick. Like, oh my gosh. And then I got like this silver one. And I'm not gonna open the pink one. The pink one's not that cool. And I'm not even gonna be really having it. I'm gonna give it to somebody. So, let's spin them both at a time. I don't know. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Let's spin the silver one for us, guys. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. And I bought these when my mom did. Oh my god, dude. They're so... They spin for at least 2 minutes. Dude, they're so like... They're literally so addicting, dude. Wow, dude. These are awesome. Tell me in the comments if you like the black one better or the silver one. I personally probably like the black one better. I don't really know why. But the silver one's still pretty cool. But I just like the black one better. Look at the black one, guys. Pretty cool. The pink one's pretty cool. I'll just open it anyway, guys. These ones have 3 of these, and then this one just has 2 of the wings. And it comes in like a foam, because these are really, really nice. They don't spin as good. They're like a little bit touchable. I don't like the 2 ones that much. They just have 2. Look at Bella.
Cool.
Look.
Cool.
Got this like pink one. It's so weird with only 2. And then I got this black one and then the silver one.
Do you get one for Linda Renee?
Yeah, the pink one.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, guys, I'm doing a video. Look at the pink one. It doesn't spin like as good, cause like I don't know why. It's okay. It's definitely not my favorite.
What's your deal with being on the laptop?
Sorry about the sun behind me.
Being on the laptop,
Oh crap. Oh no.
why are you talking to me again?
I already took
What's
away
that gonna
this.
solve? I'm gonna keep asking you until you talk to me about it.
Dang it. Okay. There's the pink one. Let's just put it back in the package. Right there. Close that up. But yeah, guys, tell me what you like better. Black or silver? I like the silver a lot too. Look at the silver, guys. Just count in your heads, guys, how long this spins. Wait, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna... Wait, never mind, I can't do it. Never mind. Look at them, guys. They're literally so awesome. These things are just, oh my god. Black one.
5 minutes till dinner.
So that's the guys. It comes in like this thing. Pretty cool. Put it back in. These are awesome. They cost $20 altogether.
Not even.
Like 17.
2 for $15 plus that one we got for
Yeah, we actually got the pink one for free. So we got two. These two were $15, and then he just gave us the pink one for free, which was awesome. Now I don't know where the cap is to this silver one. Do you know where it is, Mama?
How would I know?
The cap to the silver.
To the box that it comes in?
Yeah.
Oh, well, you'll find it. I thought you meant the actual spinner.
Where is it? Mama.
Honey, I'm cooking. I can't just come out.
Okay, I don't know what the top to this thing is, guys. I'll find in a minute. But leave a like, guys. Tomorrow, I'm going just to, like, that church camp. And I'm going to this, like, pool. And my birthday's in 3 days, July 22nd. So, yeah, guys, I'm going to be going to Dave & Buster's, this, like, swimming place. I don't know what it's called. So tell me which one you like better. The black one or the silver one. So leave a like for this video, pretty cool. Subscribe to like on. Bye, boom.